So this making offering to the triple gem, they are a field of great merits. Then when you do that, you are nourishing the roots of your virtuous nature, means our nature, the perfection of all the 10 perfection, all the virtue. Then not only that, when it comes to cultivation, this virtuous nature is like what I used to share with you. We have a karmic nature, we have a spiritual nature. So karmic nature, you know, you will accumulate everything that you do, good and bad, karma also. But spiritual nature is the cultivation and the perfection of all the spiritual practices, the spiritual virtuous cultivation, all of the spiritual understanding, perfection, you cultivate them. And that spiritual nature, when it develops into perfection, it becomes the virtuous nature. That's why the spiritual nature is very virtuous in the sense that it has great wisdom. Perfection of wisdom leads to perfection of virtue. So they are related, interrelated. So when you have walked the path of this way to be a bodhisattva, accumulating to be great beings, Mahasattva, you will understand all this. Then you will develop them.